Good afternoon. This is All India Radio. I'm Tanvi Taneja, and with me is VC Pramod with the Midday News. Union Road and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari laid the foundation stone for 13 highway projects in Manipur through video conferencing this morning. He also inaugurated a road safety project in the state during the event. Under the Highways project, over 3,000 crore rupees will be spent for development of 316 kilometers roads in the state. Union Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister of State for Road Transport and Highways, General Retired V.K. Singh, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, his cabinet colleague, MPs and senior officers of both centre and the state government were also present on the occasion. Speaking at the virtual function, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari said that the Prime Minister has instructed to take up development projects in the northeastern region. He said that the government is committed to develop the state.
बराक रिवर का जो हमने ड्रेजिंग पूरा किया है उसका उपयोग करके जहां से हम लोग एक छोटा रिवर पोर्ट बनाकर करीब 50-60 किलोमीटर इम्फाल में आ सकते हैं कि हमारा माल वहां से डायरेक्ट इम्फाल तक पहुंचे। विशेष रूप से बराक रिवर, उसका पोर्ट और उसके साथ डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिविटी, हमारे यहां से डायरेक्ट अगर माल उसमें जाएगा तो मणिपुर का विकास काफी होगा।
Apart from today's project, more projects will be taken up in Manipur in future. 4-lane roads from Kohima to Imphal will be taken up with the estimated cost of 2,663 crore rupees very soon. Moreover, other road projects will be taken up in the state for better connectivity to improve the socio-economy condition of the people. He also spoke about granting permission to ethanol-based two-wheelers.
इलेक्ट्रिक पर चलने वाली बाइक और इथेनॉल पर चलने वाली बाइक को अभी हमने टू व्हीलर टैक्सी के रूप में मान्यता दी है। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को हमने गाइडलाइन भेजी है। आप अगर मणिपुर में एक ही व्यक्ति को कोई एयरपोर्ट जाना है, स्टेशन जाना है, कहीं जाना है तो मीटर होगा। ओला उबर जैसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म होगा। घर से फोन करेंगे, तुरंत आपके घर के सामने टू व्हीलर आएगी, मीटर ऑन होगा, आपको भी हेलमेट पहनाएंगे और वो बैठकर आपको छोड़ देंगे और आपको थ्री व्हीलर की तुलना में कम पैसे में जाने का मौका मिलेगा।
Expressing concern about the slow progress on land requisition of road project in Manipur, the Union Minister requested the Chief Minister of Manipur to expedite the process on land requisition, which have become major hurdles in implementing road projects in Manipur from the past many years. If this hurdle is solved timely, all the projects could be finished at the given time. He also instructed the Chief Minister to timely submit the utilization certificate for every project to the Ministry for timely sanction of the fund. He also said the state government of the northeastern region should explore alternative fuels of petrol and diesel to make the environment free from pollution. The central government, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is ready to extend any kind of help to the northeastern states for better future. Under the new Highways project, National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited and Manipur State Public Works Department will carry out development of roads in the state. It will include 4-laning of some sections of Imphal to Murray Road, which is the major road connecting Southeast Asian countries.